I tested a new strategy based on Vortex and Supertrend. Let's set up our trading environment. Set time frame to 1 minute. Set trade duration to 1 minute as well. Make sure expiration mode is set to clock. Among indicators, choose Supertrend and Vortex. Open settings for Supertrend. Set ATR period to 7. Set the multiplier to 2. For Vortex, set the period to 11. I choose trading pairs with favorable payout conditions. Everything is set up. Let's discuss how the strategy works. When the green line of Vortex crosses above its red line, and Supertrend prints a green support line below candles, so it interprets a bullish trend, I anticipate price may rise, so I'll place a buy. Similarly, when the red line of Vortex crosses above its green line, and Supertrend shows a red resistance line above candles, I anticipate price may fall, so I'll place a sell. It's important to mention that trades should be placed only when the candle in line with the cross closes, so it confirms the cross. So technically the next candles are being traded. I hope everything was clear, so I can start trading. Here the green Vortex seems to cross above red. Wait until the candle closes and confirms the cross. There was a false signal recently, but if you look carefully, that was not in line with the overall bearish market trend. Though there were multiple good signals too in line with the trend. You might say the next forming setup will not be in line with the trend either. And you are right. But the trend is weakening, and price already broke the bearish trend line. Also, there is an ascending triangle with a bullish breakout. These together tells me the trend is likely to reverse, so I can accept an upcoming bullish signal from the strategy. There is the cross. I'm placing a buy. The platform used in this video is linked in the video description below. The trade has closed. I'm looking for the next setup. 5 or 6 minutes later, same instrument Intel OTC seems to provide another signal, but now a sell one. Let's recap. Market is in a downtrend. There were multiple successful setups in line with the trend. One easily identified false signal against the trend. And our previous trade that was against the trend, but confirmed by a bullish breakout of the descending triangle. Though this candle tells us the breakout was a small one, and the downtrend continues. So the upcoming sell signal will be in line with the trend again. Now I just need to wait patiently until the cross of Vortex is confirmed. Patience is the most important soft skill for trading. It's just as important as market analysis on the technical level. Cross confirmed. I'm placing a sell. The trade has closed. Look for next. This downtrend is very weak and price is about to break out from the trading channel. And the cross is confirmed. I'm placing a buy. We can see here in the past a false cross. Such a small one should never be considered. And there were multiple good sell signals in line with the trend and inside the trading channel. If I want to play more safe, I accept only the signals of this strategy which are in line with the trend. There is a saying, trend is your friend, which might sound somewhat childish for some, but it has some relevance, as trend reversals are harder to spot, and false breakouts needs to be identified. The trade has closed. This was our last one today. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time.